Welcome to this week's Caring Smart Tuesday tip, where we share quick practical advice for navigating senior care and ageing well. Today, we're looking at a surprising breakthrough in Alzheimer's that could one day change everything. Recent lab research has found that certain drugs used for treating cancer might also have a remarkable effect on the brain in Alzheimer's disease. These drugs seem to restore damaged brain connections, reduce harmful inflammation, and help clear the toxic proteins that block the memory and thinking. Now, of course, we need to be realistic. These findings are from lab studies, and there's still a long way to go before these drugs could be available for Alzheimer's treatment. But for families living with dementia right now, it's a hopeful sign that science is getting closer to changing the course of this horrible disease. But what can you do right now? While researchers work on that, there's something you can do immediately, and it's been proven time and time again to help brain health. Simply, it's exercise. Physical activity boosts blood flow to the brain, encourages the growth of new neural connections, and supports memory focus. In fact, regular movement is one of the most powerful and accessible tools we have to protect our brains. That's exactly why our Foolproof Friday workouts are designed with brain health in mind. We use moves that challenge your balance, coordination, and memory, all from the comfort of your home. You don't need fancy equipment, and you don't have to be a fitness expert to start seeing the benefits. So here's your next step. Subscribe here so you never miss a Caring Smart Tuesday tip. Join our Friends of Chasing Care on Buy Me a Coffee, which helps support the work that I do. And watch for my up and coming book. A book, Caring Smart. It's packed with practical tips for navigating senior care. And if you want to learn more about Alzheimer's and what you can do today, click right here and watch my other video. It's all about brain health. So till the next time, you take care.